comprehensive shuffleboard tables comparison. Shuffleboard tables and tabletop game sets have gained immense popularity as versatile entertainment options for families, friends, and game enthusiasts. They offer a blend of skill-based gameplay and social interaction, making them ideal for gatherings and casual play. List number: the Go Sports Shuffleboard and Curling 2-in-1 tabletop board game offers a premium gaming experience with its solid wood construction and dual-sided design. Measuring 45 inches in length, this game board is ideal for family game nights and gatherings. The inclusion of 8 sliding pucks ensures smooth gameplay that closely mimics the feel of professional shuffleboard and curling courts. Its durable build and well-thought-out design make it a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking quality and longevity. During testing, the Go Sports board demonstrated excellent puck gliding performance thanks to its flat and smooth surface. The solid wood frame provides stability, reducing the risk of warping over time. However, its heavier weight, 6.48 kilograms, may limit portability compared to lighter models. This product is best suited for users who prioritize durability and a realistic gaming experience over portability. The warranty coverage of 6 months adds peace of mind for buyers. List number: the YDDS Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set is a niche addition to shuffleboard gameplay, offering a unique twist by incorporating bowling elements. This set includes 10 premium hardwood bowling pins, a triangular pin setter, a resin bowling ball, and a carrying bag. Designed for adults, it enhances shuffleboard tables by introducing a secondary game mode that adds variety to traditional gameplay. In practice, the YDDS bowling pins prove durable and well-crafted, providing a satisfying tactile experience. The triangular pin setter simplifies setup, making it easy to transition between shuffleboard and bowling. However, the set lacks versatility compared to multi-game options, as it is primarily an accessory for existing shuffleboard tables rather than a standalone product. It is an excellent choice for users who already own shuffleboard tables and want to expand their gaming options. List 3. The Nasco 3-in-1 tabletop game is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison, priced at just $14.39. This compact set includes a rubber game mat, 8 shuffleboard pucks, 10 bowling pins, and 1 bowling ball, offering 3 games in 1. Its foldable design and lightweight materials make it highly portable and ideal for casual play on tables, countertops, or floors. While its affordability is a major advantage, the thinner rubber mat and lightweight components slightly compromise the gameplay experience compared to higher-end models. The chrome-plated pucks and steel balls provide decent durability, but the overall build quality is less robust. This set is best suited for families with young children or users seeking an inexpensive. List more. The Jaced Fur U Portable Indoor Shuffleboard Table Game is a mid-range option priced at $49.99. It features a generous 11.7-foot game mat, 2 pusher cues, 8 curling rocks, and 6 bowling pins. Designed for versatility, this set combines shuffleboard, curling, and bowling into one compact package. Its rollable mat and lightweight components make it easy to store and transport. During testing, the long game mat enhanced gameplay immersion, allowing for more strategic moves and longer sessions. The inclusion of pusher cues adds a unique touch, enabling players to push curling rocks with precision. However, the plastic construction of the mat and accessories feels less premium compared to higher-priced models. This product is ideal for users seeking a larger play area and multi-game functionality without breaking the bank. List number 5. The WodGod Shuffleboard, Curling, and Bowling 3-in-1 board game set is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $59.99. Featuring an 11.8-foot game mat, 2 long pusher cues, 8 curling rocks, and 6 bowling pins, it delivers a high-quality gaming experience for families and enthusiasts. The mat's rubber construction ensures durability and smooth gameplay across all 3 game modes. This set stood out during testing for its superior build quality and thoughtful design. The 37.4-inch pusher cues allow for precise control, enhancing the curling experience. Its larger mat size and robust accessories make it ideal for extended play sessions. While it is the most expensive option, its performance and durability justify the price for users seeking a premium gaming experience.